Getting started with the 3Doodler chef. Congratulations on becoming the proud owner of a 3Doodler chef, the world's first 3D pen designed specifically for creating with candy. Say goodbye to traditional candy making methods and hello to a fun and intuitive way to create edible masterpieces. Inside your 3Doodler chef box, you'll find all the essential tools you need to embark on your culinary journey. A 3Doodler chef pen, a bag of candy capsules, a power supply and adapter, a 3Doodler silicone mat, a quick start guide, 2 capsule cartridges, 2 nozzles, and a cleaning brush. Before we dive into crafting your sweet creations, let's take a moment to get acquainted with your 3Doodler chef. Begin each delicious design with the forward button. This can start and stop the pen. You can either press the forward button to start and press it again to stop, or press and hold to start and release to stop. Use the reverse button to extract the cartridge with ease if you run into trouble or want to swap the cartridge. The pen features an ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold during extended use. The power supply ensures that your pen is always ready for action. The indicator lights on the pen, green for low speed and blue for high speed, help you keep track of your settings at a glance. Inside the pen, the magic happens as the push rod goes through the cartridge and pushes candy capsules into the nozzle. Once a capsule has been completely used, the push rod will snap backwards to indicate it's ready for the next capsule. There are 2 speed settings, a green light for slow, perfect for intricate designs, and a blue light for fast, allowing for bold strokes, fillings, and larger creations, ready to bring your candy dreams to life. Let's dive in. Step 1. Insert the nozzle. Make sure your nozzle is securely in place. Remember to switch it out after about an hour of use to prevent clogs. Additionally, try switching out the nozzle if you are experiencing an issue such as moving on to the next capsule or if the push rod is not snapping back. For cleaning, just soak the nozzle in hot water. Step 2. Plug your included power supply into a power source. Then, plug your pen into the power supply and choose your speed. Remember, the blue light, the rabbit on the switch, indicates you're in fast mode, while the green, the turtle on the switch, means you're in slow mode. Once you select a mode, the indicator light will turn red, which means your pen is heating up. Step 3. Load your capsules. While the pen heats up, load your colorful candy capsules into the cartridge, mixing and matching to create unique designs. Step 4. Assemble. Attach the cartridge and nozzle securely, ensuring everything is ready for your culinary masterpiece. Step 5. Wait for the indicator light. Once your light signals green or blue, press the forward button and get ready to create. Note your first capsule may take a few seconds to extrude through the pen. Press the forward button again to stop. Step 6. Start doodling. Begin crafting your edible art. Beginners can practice on a stencil under the mat. Draw on the mat or directly on the baked goods you want to decorate. Most of the time you want the tip touching or nearly touching the surface. Quick tip: allow your candy to harden before peeling it off for perfect results. Listen for the click that signals it's time to reload. Step 7. Flip the switch. The click sound indicates a capsule has been used up and you should cycle to the next one. When you're ready for a new capsule, simply switch to the next capsule and continue your creation. Quick tip: make sure the notch is lit with the small arrow to indicate it is properly lined up. Step 8. Create amazing candy art. Let your imagination run wild. Here are a few examples of stunning 3Doodler chef creations that will leave your taste buds tingling. For more information, visit the3doodler.com and follow us on social media at 3Doodler. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more delectable tips and tricks. With the 3Doodler chef in hand, what will you create today?